it's time for cooking. Yeah, I want a shrimp. Kasi sa bahay lagi na lang ako nagmi-meat. So this time, I want some seafoods. Yeah. Meron silang palaka, oh. Meron silang palaka cooks.
Meron ka na talaga palaka?
No, thank you.
Ano na tayo niya?
What's that? Oh, later I have here. That's the tiger shrimp. I want the simpler. Gusto ko ng seafoods kasi sa bahay, puro na lang ako meat. Kaya, syempre, mahal ito, no? Pag nasa labas ka, mahal. So, we have to try some, yung mga hindi natin nakakain mostly.
Sorry. This separate, that's separate. We put together. Okay, so how can you do that? Yeah, if this is different dishes, if that's push different dishes.
Okay.
Okay.
So, it's not mixed. It cannot be mixed.
Just only for that is for that.
This one, kasi lata niya. Oh, so, kailangan isa-isa lang pala. Kung itong area na ito, yung dapat dito lang talaga para, ito yung kanyang gluten for teppanyaki. Means, like, vegetable for the teppanyaki. Gluten is vegetable, di ba? Yeah, okay. So, papaluto natin ito, we'll see. Chicken leg, frog leg. We cannot say anything because some people would like to come here for the sake of this, that.
Fresh.
You can have them. Look at that. Sa akin ito, sa kanya yan. Kasi she wanted more meat but she's on a diet. She decided to. She's on a diet so she wanted to have some meat. Is it ironic? Yeah. So magkaiba kami. Seafood sa akin, shrimp and mussels. Yeah, put it down. That's it. Yun. So, papaluto natin dito. So, doon kasi pwede kang mamili kung anong sauce. Ano ba sa oyster na?
Medium, no butter.
You will decide.
What's
good for it and will decide.
So this one must be. So, here we go. So, yun ang napili ni Beshi. Ang babaeng dayat-dayetan pero puro meat ang kinuha. Yeah. So, it's okay. I take the video there. Okay. So, tignan natin pa.
Video for her friend.
Yeah. So, kinuha niya yung akin yun, you know.
Nabugbugan mo mantika.
Can I have the butter for this one? Or, yeah, sige. So, yun yung ginagawa niya. Ayan, right? So, pipili ka lang ng gusto mong mix. Then, tatanong siya kung anong sauce.
Just like with garlic.
Pero, for us, I think it's like grill lang siya. I don't know. But you can choose the condiments that you want to put in it. So, yun. Yan yung Yan po yung ating chef for today's video. Yan. Normal oil ang pinalagay mo? Oo. Maganda sa akin yung bottle. Pero mas nakakatuya. So yun, ang kanyang sauce. Ayan. Lamb yan, no? Lamb. So, we will wait for a while. Pantayin natin. Okay then. So, ito ng oil. Halilito pa yung ating chef kasi hindi pa siya kumakain daw ng tanghalian. So, naglagay na siya ng pepper. Parang alam na alam ko naman. Naglagay na siya ng pepper. Hinalo-halo niya, piniga-piga. Yun. And, tada! 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 Ooh, that's it. Lamb pala, hindi pala siya beef.
Lamb chop yan.
Salm and so
Ito naman yung pre-cook na yan.
which one?
You eat.
Yeah.
I can do it.
Yeah.
Oh, sikan ah. Na?
Go.
Wait, done.
So for today's video, kailangan natin matutong magluto. Thank you so much for the opportunity, Chef. So, we have here, so ito, kailangan natin i-press so the meat will be cooked.
Pataas. Pataas ang press. Pataas.
Oh, yeah. So, ito siya. Diba, ang saya dito? Kasi ito yung birthday challenge para sa akin. Ang maging chef for...
Rika, patayo. Patayuin ka.
It's a birthday treat, so kailangan natin mag-sideline. Kasi wala na tayong pera, so kailangan natin mag-extra. Yan. So, tingnan natin kung pwede na siya. I-check natin. Oh, so okay na siya. Konting-konti pa. Kasi pre-cook na ito, so we don't have to flip it. Tap, yung nasa ibabaw ay, kasi ano siya eh, pre-cook na siya, so okay na.
Okay.
So, oh, ang sarap ng smell. Hindi pa tapos. Ang sarap ng smell talaga. So, ito na ang ating bagong trabaho ngayon. Thank you so much. Ito na ang ating bagong trabaho. So, okay na siya. Konting seasoning na lang, like pepper, salt, and pwede kang mag-choose doon kung anong gusto mong sauce. Yeah. So, yun lang for today's video. Thank you so much, Chef. Thank you mga ako. Lagyan din ng butter. Ayan palang may butter. Kasi pagtabang lang ito ganun. Ooh, that's so yummy. Butter plus garlic plus the meat. Wow. And some of the cooking wine. Ooh, freshly baked, freshly cooked. Sarap. Ooh. Okay na, akin na yun. pa pala dito.
Nipeo.
Ano?
Bunu.
Buti pala dito, pwedeng ipagluto ka.
Correct. Tama sa'yo.
Oo. Ha?
Smakelijk.
Thank you, Will. Thank you, Will. So, ito na yung akin.